My new listing is the perfect combo of comfort, convenience, and location. It's newly remodeled and nestled in a peaceful, highly sought-after neighborhood. This home is also located within a top-rated Cupertino school district. And that's not all. You're just down the street from Apple Park and close to many other major tech campuses with shopping destinations like Main Street, Cupertino, and the Cupertino Village nearby. Ortega Park just a stroll away and easy access to Highway 280, 85, and Lawrence Expressway. And now, let's peek inside. Hi, welcome. Let me show you around. Oak hardwood flooring leads you into the inviting living room where recessed lighting, a cozy fireplace, and the dual-pane windows create a warm, light-filled space. As you move through the dining area, you enter the lovely kitchen with stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, vast cabinetry, and a pantry by the breakfast bar. Near the kitchen, the newly added primary bedroom suite showcases a large, relaxing bay window with built-in seating, grand walk-in closet, and a spa-like bathroom with dual sinks, soaking tub, and a separate stall shower. On the other side of the home, you will find 3 comfortable bedrooms, one of which includes an ensuite bathroom with a stall shower, along with a 3rd full bathroom featuring a shower tub combination. Outside, enjoying a serene backyard featuring a spacious paver patio, retaining wall, fruit trees, a large lawn area, and beautiful plants and flowers. That brings my tour to an end. I'm RENNA, your neighborhood realtor. If you have any questions, feel free to call at the number below. Also, be sure to click like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all my future listings. And I will see you at our open houses. Bye now.